I'm Christine Frizzau in Washington, where the Supreme Court heard arguments in a case that could dramatically shift the system of education in America. It would pave the way for taxpayer-funded religious schools if justices side with one Catholic school in Oklahoma, as it appears it just may do. The central question before the court: can a Catholic school in Oklahoma qualify for public charter school status, meaning it would be funded by taxpayers?
St. Isidore was established by two private Catholic organizations, and they applied to participate in a program. They built their own charter school program.
Lawyers for St. Isidore Virtual Catholic School found sympathy from some justices in their argument the school is being discriminated against by not being allowed to become part of the charter system.
When you have a program that's open to all comers except religion, no, we can't do that. We can do everything else. That seems like rank discrimination against religion.
Some justices appeared skeptical.
These schools are supposed to be public, and they're supposed to sort of look like public schools, and this one really doesn't.
Fighting against the charter school designation, Oklahoma's own Republican Attorney General, who argues it would violate both the state and U.S. Constitution. The First Amendment stating Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Under curriculum in the St. Isidore Student Handbook, it states the traditions and teachings of the Catholic Church and the virtue of Christian living permeate the school day.
Charter schools are public schools. So what we're talking about here is the nation's first religious public school, and that would be a sea change in our democracy.
But both sides seem to agree if the court sides with the school, there will be an explosion in taxpayer-funded religious schools, since 45 states plus Washington, D.C. have charter school systems. A decision on the case will come before the end of the term this summer. And when it does, there's a chance it could end in a tie. That's because Justice Amy Coney Barrett has recused herself from the case without explanation. At the Supreme Court, I'm Christine Frizzau.